Hi, welcome to the short tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to slow-mo your videos like iPhone built-in feature. So if you want to give the slow-mo in your videos like iPhone, you can watch this video till the end. So let's start the video. To do this, first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the one application with the name of the CapCut. So once you will search for the CapCut application, you have to download and install this application in your phone. So I have already installed this application in my phone, so I simply open it from here. And once you will open it, you have to click on the new project to add a video, but I have already a project here, so I simply select this video here and click on the video is here now. You have to select the clip and you will see a speed option here. Once you will click on the speed, you will see a normal and a curve option here. Simply you have to click on the curve. So here you will see different patterns are available. You have to click on the custom, so edit it. So you have to adjust these waves according to your choice to give the slow-mo like iPhone. So we can try this pattern. So you can see video is slow-mo. So in this way you can slow-mo videos like iPhone on the Android by using these apps, by using these curves. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.